Hello and happy Thanksgiving, my friends. Hope all you're doing well and staying safe and healthy. My name is Ellen. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, welcome to my Southern Kitchen, the 420th episode and the 11th episode of Ellen's Thanksgiving Series 2020. I'm very excited to share with y'all this next recipe. We're gonna make two classic soul food side dishes and combine them to one. That's right, sugar. We're gonna combine them to one. We're gonna make collard greens and cabbage. Oh yes, baby. And my friends, it is thebomb.com. It's gonna be so delicious, simple and easy to make, and it's gonna be full of bacon. Everybody's gonna love and enjoy this and be great to serve for your Thanksgiving dinner or any time of the year. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my Thanksgiving recipes playlist from broccoli and cheese casserole to cornbread dressing to macaroni and cheese, and my previous video, Southern candy yams. I'll post a link to both of those down below in the description box. So grab your bacon, your collard greens, and your cabbage, sugar, because we're about to cook some cabbage and collard greens magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright, my friends, I have 2 pounds of collard greens and 1 large cabbage that I sliced and washed, and I put them in my bowl. We're going to set them aside. In my large pot, I got the fire over medium-high heat. We're going to add in a pound of bacon. Yeah, hear that sizzle? Give it a quick stir. Oh yeah, if a recipe calls for bacon, it's about to get down. Ain't nothing like bacon. You can also use turkey bacon for this recipe. Just add a couple of tablespoons of oil. So now we're going to let the bacon fry until it's brown. Alright, my friends, the bacon's nice and brown. Perfect. I love the smell of bacon frying. So now we're going to add in 1 diced yellow onion and 1 diced green bell pepper. Give it a quick stir. And we're going to let these cook until the onions and bell peppers is soft and translucent. Alright, my friends, the onions and bell peppers translucent. That looks great. So now it's time to add in the greens and the cabbage. Give it a quick stir, and it'll will down while it cooks. Now we're going to add in 1½ cups of water and the seasonings. 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of seasoning salt, 1 teaspoon of onion soup mix, and 1½ teaspoons of white pepper, or you can use black. Give this a stir. So now we're going to cut the fire down to medium. And we're going to cover it. And we're going to let them cook for about 1 hour. Alright, my friends, our cabbage and collard greens are done. Let's take a look. Oh yeah. It smells amazing up in this kitchen. Look at all that bacon. Perfect. Alright, my friends, there you have it. Soul food cabbage and collard greens. Doesn't it look delicious? So now I have taken my cornbread out of the oven, and I'm about to fix me up a plate, and I'll give it a taste. My friends, look at this beautiful plate of greens and cornbread. Down home southern goodness. Doesn't get any better than this. Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Give me some bacon, cabbage. Look at that. And still a little hot. Be careful so I won't burn my mouth. Nice and tender. Great balance of flavor. And the bacon is perfectly cooked. This is out of this world yummy, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. Spread my butter. This is vanilla bite. Taste it with some cornbread. Yum-o. Love me some greens and cornbread. Cabbage and collard greens, licious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights on Instagram or send me an email, ellen'shomemadedelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. I'll see you next time. Let's eat, much love, stay safe, and happy Thanksgiving.